Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload a photo in Canva. Uploading your own images allows us to customize our designs and create more personalized projects. We will walk you through how to add your photos quickly. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we go to the upper left part of the page. We click the Create or plus icon. Click this one. Once we are here, we just need to scroll to the bottom. Click Upload. We can upload files or a folder. If we have many pictures, we can upload them as one folder. Or we can click and select a single file. Just click See Upload Files. Here, we choose which files to upload. For example, we have a logo here. We will upload it to Canva and edit it. Once we click on it, we just need to choose Use in a Design or Edit Image. Choose the option that works best. Since we are uploading and editing this as an image, we will click Edit Image. Now, the picture is uploaded. We can start editing it. If needed, we can make adjustments here. We can rotate or change the vertical perspective, depending on what we need. Once we are done adjusting, we just select the same. And that's it. Our photos are now uploaded to Canva. We have successfully uploaded our photo and can now use it in our designs.